Hey guys, welcome to yet another video, and today we are here at the infamous Carnivore Grounds for the Sunset GT, and we are here to check out the cars, some style and pure excellence. This is the cars in Kenya, and mostly the cars you see here are what represent what the car scene looks like here in Kenya. So let's go check it out, and we are going to have a good time. Cheki Buddha.
Welcome to the Sunset GT.
This is no why we're here. We're here to have
Calling all bikers to come forward to the judges' tent.
I know it's original, but you have lost at least 1.5 points by votes.
Just
Unavuta nini tonight?
Barabara nimekula hizi Audi Tune 5 hizo tulita, alafu nimekula pia nini GTI.
Ukiangalia hii tabu mwingi zikuwa ni tabu za wangapi.
Hii tabu nimeweka hii tabu.
Zinasema na tabu mwingi. Azikuwa ni tabu na wanachukua tabu.
So unajua ni diesel haina noise. Nimefanya straight pipe lakini haina noise.
Gari ni 2020.
So unasema
Nyezi supercharge ni tabu.
siwesikia hiyo charge.
Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas Wanjohi, aka Diamanake Racing. Today we are here at Carnivore, Sunset GT. We are me and my boys, we are several of us. We came here to enjoy with the car nation We really love this sport. We also want to promote the automotive culture in Kenya. So myself, I ride a 1000cc bike. It's a Suzuki GSX-X 1000. I've been riding for 7 years right now, and I'm also a street racer. I do have a channel on YouTube. You can check on it. I have so many videos. I have over 90 videos, very exciting videos. We normally call them, most of the videos I call them highway attack because we majorly ride on the highways. We want everyone out there who loves bikes to experience the thrill as we have on the road. We understand it's a very dangerous sport, but we want to tell anyone out there who would want to join biking, it's a major step. It's been a journey for us, and we really enjoy this passion.
Hi guys, welcome to the Sunset GT. My name is Eve, and this is my baby. My bike, it's called Kitana, but it's a Taro GP 250R. It's actually my first bike, but I started riding in 2020. All I'd say is I would want to really vouch for more female bikers. It's actually really interesting, awesome, and in a male-dominated industry, ladies need to also be there. They need to have that edge. Other than that, yeah, welcome to the Sunset GT. Hope we'll be seeing you at the Slick Superbike Championship in September 10th.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up, oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck, I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck, can't stop, unplugged, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough, gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me, I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning, I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me, I need focus to keep me from hopeless, psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be
just like that, my time here at Sunset GT has come to an end. I hope you've enjoyed the video. You've seen the cars, you've seen the bikes, you've seen the people and the vibes here at Sunset GT. Like the video if you did, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.